Good morning. It's Wednesday, July 26th, in sunny Britain, and windowsill cam is going. I've placed some basmati rice, cooked basmati rice, and see what we can attract today. We have a turtle dove sitting in the tree there. You can't see it, and there's also a wood pigeon in the tree there, and they're buzzing around. Well, they'll be here in a minute. The Passar domesticatus, the common house sparrow. Let's see who arrives today then. I'm having my morning ginger and garlic beverage. There's garlic floating on the top. Jeepers late after staying out late. I'm walking my baby back home. On and on, over meadow and farm, walking my baby back home. We go along, harmonizing a song, or I'm reciting a poem. Here they come, they're in the tree, they're gathering now in the tree, plucking up courage to come down and feed in front of me. I'm going to sit down. Where's the one come? There they are. They're waiting in the tree. They're looking. Here they come. My first customer has arrived. A female. And here comes a male. They've dropped some rice on the floor. They've knocked it off the ledge. They're eating downstairs. So hopefully we get more than the Passar domesticatus. It's a beautiful sunny day today, but we're expecting big rain by late morning. Arm in arm over Meadow Farm, walking my baby back home. We go along harmonizing a song, oh, I'm reciting a poem. One kiss and continue again, walking my baby back home. We'll stop for a while, she'll give me that smile, snuggle her face in my chest. We're starting to pet, and that's when I'll get her perfume all over her waist. After I straighten my tie, she'll have to borrow my comb. A one kiss and continue again, walking my baby back home. I'm walking my baby, loving my baby, I'm walking my baby back home, home, home. I'm singing quietly, not to disturb the birds. Her hair is soft and her eyes are also blue. She's everything a man could want, but she's not you. She knows just how to make me laugh when I feel blue. She's all the things a man can want, but she's not you. Boom, ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. And when we're dancing, it almost feels the same. I've got to stop myself from whispering your name. She kisses me like you used to do, 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 do. And it's just breaking my heart, 'cause she's not you. And it's just breaking my heart, 'cause she's not you. That was Elvis Presley's She's Not You. Preceded by Nat King Cole's Walking My Baby. Hey, Alex, if you're watching this, I want to congratulate you for getting your tourist license in Mexico. That's just wonderful. I was impressed. Well, it's only the sparrows that are coming. There's nothing exotic. No bullfinches, no coal tits, no blue tits. Just sparrows. But they are entertaining on their own. They are so. I think next time I'll put the camera so you can see the tree. There's a tree right in front of the house there, where they wait before they come and feed. And that's where the magpie took the sparrow from. So that would have been good footage. I really should invest in a better camera. If I was rich, I'd buy another camera. But I'm poor, so I can't. I just use my Samsung tablet there. Well, I think I've got enough footage, and it's a short video. If you like short videos on YouTube, don't forget to share and subscribe. Because I'm struggling here. Oh, look at these birdies sitting here. I can't even see them from my chair. Two female. Oops, they're gone. Okay, let's settle up. Let's finish up here, and I'll post this right now. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned. Bye bye.